I would say that a little bits and pieces of whatever I picked up from what Mr. Ash Mufareh was saying on 360 last week. I one word really touched me. Do not listen to negative. One negative thought can take you back 48 hours. So that 48 hours, how much are we losing? We are losing a lot. So if we start thinking negatively, where are we going? We are cutting ourselves away from everyone and everything. Not only that, we are also instilling negative thoughts on people around us, which is not right. I mean, there's a saying out here that, a human being comes with, there are two types of human beings that come in. One comes in with the scissors and one comes with a needle and thread. What are we? Are we the scissors or are we the needle and thread? Do we, keep everyone attached to us, sewed to us, and keep us all together? Rest of the people. So I consider myself that we are definitely Ash's soldiers out here. We represent Ash. No matter what, we will, he said, do or die. If he can do or die, I'm sure we can stand beside him for that fight. Whatever the case may be, we are there. And our loyalty belongs to him, not to anybody. Like our brother Colin said, don't listen to anybody. Don't listen to leaders. Why do you want to listen to anyone when you're getting directly from Mr. Mufareh everything what you need to know? Listen to him and continue your journey. And this journey has given us so much. Our motivation comes from him. He is definitely our motivator and everything for us. So I would like to say that, yes, we are focused, very much focused. If we weren't at all focused, none of us would have been here today. We wouldn't have kept ourselves plugged in. So thank you very much for listening.